Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to another video by MS Notebook. In this video lecture, we will learn about biochemical calculations such as buffer dilution problems or stock dilution problems. C1V1 equals to C2V2. In the performance of dilution, this equation is used to determine the volume needed to dilute a stock solution. Likewise, this equation is also used to calculate the concentration of the diluted solution. Now, we discuss some problems to understand how to prepare a diluted solution from stock solution. Stock solutions are usually more concentrated, such as 70%, 50x, or sometimes 100%. In this question, stock solution is 70%. We need to make it 30%. Then question is how to convert this 70% stock solution into 30% of volume 45 ml. First of all, we have to note down the data given in the question. Remember that C1 and V1 represents the value of a stock solution and C2, V2 represents the value of final solution. So from this question, we note down the data. C1 is the concentration of a stock solution. V2 is the final volume we have to prepare, and C2 is the concentration of final solution. We have to find the volume of a stock solution V1. To solve this question, we need the equation C1V1 equals to C2V2. This is very easy to solve because out of 4 parameters, 3 are already provided in the question. We only need to calculate V1. So to calculate V1, rearrange this equation and put the given values. We get the answer. By calculating the values, we get the answer 19.3 ml. This means that we have a stock solution which is 70% in concentration, and we have another solution which is final solution we are preparing. So we are taking 19.3 ml, which is our answer. We are taking 19.3 ml of stock solution and rest of the volume we add distilled water to make total volume of 45 ml. Here the question arises which is confusing, then how to calculate the value of distilled water. So to calculate the volume of distilled water, simply minus V2 minus V1. Final volume minus initial volume, we get the volume of distilled water which is 25.7 ml. Let's have a look on another question. Example number 2 is I have a stock solution of glucose at a concentration of 10 mg per ml. I want to make 500 ml of a 1 mg per ml glucose solution in water. How do I prepare this? In this question, we have to prepare 500 ml of glucose solution whose concentration should be 1 mg per ml from a given stock solution at a concentration of 10 mg per ml. First of all, we note down the data given on the question. Concentration of stock solution is 10 mg per ml. Concentration of final solution is 1 mg per ml. And volume of final solution is 500 ml. We have to find volume of a stock solution V1 by the equation C1V1 equals to C2V2 because three variables are already given out of four. So it is easy to calculate volume of a stock solution. So to calculate V1, rearrange this equation and put the given values to get the answer. By calculating these values, we get the answer 50 ml. What does this answer mean? This means that we have a stock solution whose concentration is 10 mg per ml. And we have a final solution which we are preparing. So this means that we are taking 50 ml from this stock solution and rest of the volume we add distilled water to make volume of 500 ml. To calculate volume of distilled water, simply do V2 minus V1 to get the value of distilled water. Therefore, this answer means 50 ml of stock solution is diluted with 450 ml of water to make volume of 500 ml glucose solution. Thanks for your precious time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.